Hey guys, Jason with Starkey Products here, and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the low or high beam circuit of your halogen headlights with no cutting or splicing required. This adapter is going to fit a wide variety of years and models. You're going to want to check our fitment guide to make sure that it fits your particular vehicle. The most important thing to know is it's going to work on halogen headlights only, and it's going to give you access to both the low and high beam circuit. This adapter will work on both driver and passenger side. The installation is going to look a little bit different depending on the best way to access the backside of your headlight. Today on this 2021 F-150, we're going to be accessing from the passenger side wheel well. I've turned the steering wheel a little bit to gain better access to the wheel well liner. There are 3 screws I want to remove, but I'm not going to completely remove the liner. I just want to peel it back enough to get to the backside of the headlight. On the backside of the headlight, I'm going to grab the headlight connector, depress the tab. The clip I depressed was right there. I just give that a squeeze, pull it straight back. Now I'm going to plug our adapter in. You'll hear it click. At this point, it's time to connect the wiring. We include the mating terminal, which connects to these wires with the adapter. However, you don't have to use them. I am going to show you how to crimp them on, but some people may prefer to splice in directly or to use butt connectors or even solder the wires to whatever accessory wiring they're using. The whole purpose of this adapter is just to prevent us from having to cut or splice our factory wiring. And however you do that is going to be up to you and up to your application. We just recommend that these are low amperage connections only. In other words, if you are running something like a light bar that has a fairly high amperage draw, you're going to want to use a relay, and these wires will simply trigger the relay. That's what we're going to do in this case. So what I'm going to do is connect the relay to the high beam circuit as well as this ground so that I can ground the relay, and the light bar will get its own ground independently. Let's get started. I'm going to grab one of these terminals, slide it onto the wire from the relay, and I'm just going to crimp it on like so. I'm going to repeat the procedure for the ground wire. And now I can connect this to the adapter itself. In this case, red's going to go to high beam. And then we're going to use this ground that's here for convenience. And that's just grounding the relay itself, not going to actually ground the accessory. Now I can take this plug and plug it back in. I finished installation of the headlight adapter on this 2021 F-150, and it's going to take you about 15 minutes to actually make the connections. This is great if you need to tap into the low beam or the high beam circuit, but you don't want to cut into your factory wiring. Thank you so much for watching.